Today we're going to go through how to learn to do the single arm 360 or build up to being able to do that elusive single arm swing. Now it's a very, very simple method of how to do it. There are other ways. This is just one way. It's the way I learned, so hopefully it can help you too. Once you have mastered the double-handed 360, i.e. you can do 10, maybe 20 reps of the 360 with ease, you might be about ready to start building up to the single arm version. To do this, you're going to work in 5 steps and then do it again in reverse. So the first step is complete a double-handed 360. The next step is take your pinky finger off the mace. So all but your little finger of the bottom hand, your opposite hand, are currently on the mace. You do a 360 again. Then you take your ring finger off, do it again, middle finger, and then index finger, so now it's just the thumb gripping, go again, there's 4, and then you can, either at this point, either just do with the saddle of the hand or take the hand completely off and go for number 5. If you can't quite do the full single hand, put the saddle on instead, just to help out a little bit. Then you wrap your thumb back round, go down, then index finger, come down, middle, ring, pinky. And you do that again and again and again until you get comfortable and confident that you can do that single arm 360. It will feel a little bit wobbly, that's fine. Just keep building it up over time. Try and aim for, do 1 set on one hand, 1 set on the other, maybe do that again another time. I liked, when I was learning it, to do it as part of my warm-up to start with, and eventually week by week that would build. So just as a reminder, little finger, ring finger, middle finger. So you're in an okay grip now. Now just the thumb. And then, if it feels really wobbly here, just go for the saddle of your hand. Otherwise, take your hand off and it might feel really wobbly. Remember your foundations. Take the mace up, swing behind the head, pull across the chest. So up, behind, across the chest. And that should brings in for a decent single arm 360.